There's spaghetti noodles in there with fried zucchini, basil, Gouda cheese, red onions, Parmesan cheese, garlic. It's all in there. Yep. This is supposed to be pasta alla Nerano. I made that earlier today, and then I came back to make it again. Second time is always better. I didn't stick so closely to the original recipe that I found online. Screw that. They use way too much olive oil and deep fried the zucchini. Screw that. I want my zucchini to be just lightly fried, not deep fried. So, all right, I'm gonna dig in and enjoy this, and I'll report back in a few seconds. Okay? All right. Peace and blessings. All right. So after my first two bites, maybe three bites, all of the ingredients work well together. I probably should have, cooked the pasta with the ingredients, mixed it on the in the saucepan or the. Well, I have a cast iron skillet, so maybe that would change it a little bit, because right now the noodles are, I guess, pretty bland, but the other ingredients are great. So look, it's edible, and yeah, I'm enjoying this. So I cooked some of the basil, but then I also added fresh basil, so it gives it a different texture, and the cheeses are hidden, so I can't complain. It's not restaurant quality, but it's doggone good.